right, team, keep it coming down. Steady, steady.
The schematics convert the burnt lines are for the main lift. I'll clear this rust and we can start the replacement.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting the finishing touches on this massive excavation project. Be sure to subscribe.
It's hard to believe anything survived this blaze. The heat must have been unimaginable.
Keep pushing those beams to the left side. Watch out for the rebar.
Look near that structural beam.
Right there. That indicates the point of origin.
Noted.
The cleanup operation is slow and methodical. Every piece of debris holds a story, now reduced to ash and twisted metal.
The aftermath of the fire is stark. The excavator works tirelessly to clear the mountains of...
The fire is quenched, but the water remains, slowly cleansing the destruction left behind. What remains of the structure is a stark reminder of the blaze. Now the long process of sifting through the debris begins.
Look at the structural damage here. The supports are completely gone.
And the water runoff suggests significant chemical leaching nearby. Ready? Up slowly now.
Steady, steady.
Okay, set it down gently here.
Look at this right here. Does that look like an accelerant stain to you?
It's hard to tell under all the char, but the burn pattern is unusual.
I got it as tight as it will go.
All right, that's secure. Let's double check the other side.
Securing heavy machinery in these conditions is grueling work. Every strap must be checked twice before moving out.
Give it everything you've got.
It's barely moving.
Okay, I've got the binder. Stand clear.
As the cleanup continues, the sheer scale of the destruction becomes clear. Getting the heavy machinery out is proving to be a monumental task.
In this environment, the journey is slow, fraught with danger.
Keep coming back. Watch your left side.
All right, hold it right there.
Perfect. The fire must have been incredibly hot to warp this section.
Yeah, I'm having trouble getting through this beam.
All right, first you want to make sure the high pressure hose is secured tightly to the pump outlet. Then we attach the spray gun and the nozzle.
Keep that runoff clear. We need this spotless by sundown. Keep that runoff clear. I'm almost through this section.
Okay, the scrubbing did what it could. Now let's see if this foam penetrates the heavy suit.
All right, keep that steady now. Make sure you get all the rust off this section before moving on.
The sparks are a byproduct of the intense heat needed to shape the metal, a necessary step in heavy fabrication. The fire reached temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius, completely compromising the structural integrity of the machine.
It's remarkable what these machines endure. Pitted, scarred, but still essential to the workflow here at the workshop.
This grease has been sitting here for a moment. You really don't? The dry ice sublimates on contact, lifting the suit without introducing moisture or damaging the delicate electronics underneath. Here we're applying the industrial-grade foam directly to the undercarriage. This ensures the deepest clean possible in the warehouse environment.
The X9 excavator undergoes its final air retardant application.
This die lets us see any micro fractures. Once that's done, we give the tracks a thorough blast before final assembly.
Welding requires precision and focus, ensuring the integrity of the entire structure.
The angle grinder is essential for smoothing these welds, as you can see by the intense heat and sparks.
You want to keep the angle consistent to get a clean bevel on the edge.
All right, easy now. Make sure the alignment is perfect before we start the arc. Safety first.
In this environment, precision is everything. The structural integrity relies on a perfect weld.
All right, the laser level confirms the vertical alignment is spot on. Now let's cross-reference this measurement with the schematic on page 3. As you can see here on the schematic, this hydraulic line is the key to the increased lifting capacity. We've upgraded the entire system to handle the pressure. That's exactly where I wanted it. Solid. All right, so according to the blueprint here, we need the 3/4 inch wrench and the corresponding bolts for the assembly. That's 3, 4, making sure these tolerances match the print exactly before assembly.
You have to guide it in slow. Easy now, just a few more inches to the base.
That's it, perfect alignment. Now let's secure the mounts. Once we get the alignment right on these ports, the new manifold should slide right into place.
First, we tighten the brass fittings to spec. Then we use the digital calibrator to ensure precise torque settings across the assembly.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on that hose. Okay, that's seated. Now we just torque these down. Looks good. The key here is ensuring every pin is seated properly. Otherwise, you'll get intermittent faults down the line. Look at the size of this thing. The paint bay is next, but first, we check the welds. We start by pouring the premium industrial yellow base. It's crucial to mix it thoroughly with the cordless drill until the consistency is smooth and uniform.
Ensuring complete and even coverage is key. The high gloss finish not only looks pristine, but offers vital protection for the heavy machinery.
Steady pressure is key here, especially on the edges. We need this finish perfect before it ships out.
That's another one ready to go. You put the effort in, and the results speak for themselves.
After carefully positioning the battery, we use the wrench to secure the terminals, followed by tightening the straps to prevent vibration.
Come on, just a little more. All right, that's tight. Looks good.
Once the joysticks are secured, we initialize the system by touching the main display. There we go, fully operational.
All right, key in. Let's get this fired up. Dash looks good, hydraulics are online. All right, let's get these installed. Everything looks to be in order. So I'm just taking the lights out of the crate now. We'll mount them right here on the front frame of the excavator for optimal coverage.
These LEDs are a game changer for the night shift. Look at that beam, we won't have any trouble seeing now.
All right, that bolt is secure, making sure the mirror is perfectly aligned now. You want to make sure the adhesive bonds completely to the frame. Apply firm, even pressure as you move along the bottom edge.
The new 43011 model makes short work of this heavy soil, demonstrating its power in the field.
You have to be careful with the hydraulics on this model. It's got plenty of power, but you need a delicate touch near the surface.
The 43011 model is known for its precision, essential when working near the wetlands.
Standing silent in the golden hour, the massive yellow excavator awaits its task, a testament to engineering in the heart of the wilderness.
This is the largest site development we've undertaken this quarter. We are right on schedule. This machine is incredible. The engineering on the arm is truly impressive.
Feel the texture right here.
This level of grime buildup requires daily cleaning to prevent excessive wear on the metal.
Join the adventure and stay tuned every week.
Don't miss out on future videos. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon today.
You got to make sure these are torqued down properly, especially on a rig this size. The impact wrench makes quick work of it. The key is getting this spline aligned perfectly with the engine block. It takes a little muscle and a lot of patience.
The wrench provides a real-time readout, allowing for meticulous tightening until the target specification is met.
All right, so you slide the hose firmly over the connection point. Make sure it seats right.
The onboard diagnostics run automatically once the main power is engaged. As you can see, all systems are currently nominal and ready for operation.
And that should do it. With these new lights, the night shift won't have any issues seeing the trench.
This beautifully restored Series 5 is perfectly suited for the task, smoothly carving a new trench through the vibrant green landscape.